Hello students, this is Roma David, your math teacher from Cambridge International School, Tasua. I hope you all are fit and fine. Yesterday we have done how to express one quantity as percentage of other. Let's revise that topic once again and then we will move on to our today's topic. So students, before starting with the new topic, let us quickly revise what we have done yesterday. Yesterday we have learned how to express one quantity as percentage of other. So these are helpful in comparing any two quantities. Like for example, you have got 9 out of 10 marks in one test and another test is there which is of 50 marks and you have got 46 out of 50. Fine. Now you want to compare your performance, like in which test you have performed better. But by simply looking at these numbers 9 and 46, you can't say that in which test you have performed good. So the best way to analyze this is convert both the numbers into percentage. So yesterday you have learned this. So how do we convert this? 9 is written in the numerator, 10 denominator, and multiply with 100%. So after solving this you will get 90% and 46 out of 50 as a percentage. This after solving is 92%. Fine. So now you can easily compare that in the second test. In the second test you have got 92% marks and in the first test you have got 90 marks. So performance in the second test is better than the performance in the previous test or in the first test. But why so? Why we are not able to compare our performance on the basis of the marks only? This is because both the tests, the total marks of both the tests are different. If they were same, then we can compare the performance. But in case the total marks are different, we can't compare the performance. Right? So we have converted into percentage and percentage is something out of 100. Now this 90 is out of 100, 92 is also out of 100. So now we can compare that 92 is more than 90. So performance in the second test is better than the performance in the first test. And you might have noticed that your performance has increased by 2%. In the previous test your performance, you have got 90% marks and in the second test you have got 92. So 92 minus 90, that is 2%, right? So this is the increase in your performance and that is our next topic, that is percentage increase and decrease. And by the end of this video you will be able to find percentage increase or decrease in the values of any quantity. Now what is the advantage of this? By learning how to find percentage increase or decrease, you can analyze your results very easily, whether your performance has increased or decreased. And when you go to the market, you might have noticed that some of the shops, they offer a discount and the discounts are mostly written in percentage, like 50% off, 60% off. And if you know how to find out percentage increase or decrease with the help of these, you can easily find out these values and you will never get robbed by the shopkeepers. Other use of percentage is in banking, etc. But we will discuss those in some other video. So let's start with our topic. So let's take a look at the formula first. In some of the questions, these two things will be given to you, percentage increase or percentage decrease. Increase I am denoting with upward arrow and decrease with downward arrow. So either of these is X% and original value. Value is generally in numbers. So if I want to do any calculation with these, I can't add or subtract percentage with the number. So first of all, I have to convert this percentage into number, right? So this will be, now if the question is related to percentage increase, then increase in the value is equals to X% of original value. Same way, decrease in the value is X% of original value. Okay, so this will give you a number, and now you want to find out new number or increased number. In case of increase, let us consider this first. Increased value means after adding that increment, increased value, this is equals to original value plus x% of original value. Means whatever answer you have got here, you have to add that in the original value. And if you want to find out decreased value will be original value. Now because it is decreasing, so you have to subtract x% of original value. So these two formula will help you to find out new values after applying the percentage increase or percentage decrease. To find out increased value, you have to add the amount, and to find out decreased value, you have to subtract the amounts. So these are the basic differences here, and in the questions it will not be given to you, so you have to identify whether that question is about increasing the value or decreasing the value. So read the statement very carefully. And now we are going to learn the second formula. This will be used in those questions in which both the original value and new value are given to us, and you have to find out percentage increase or decrease. Now values are given to you, percentage is what we have to find out. So how we do that? First of all, you have to find out change in values. So if original value is greater than the new value, then write original value first and subtract new value from it. And if new value is greater, then write down new value first. This will give you change in value, right? And then to find out percentage, you have to just divide change with original value. Remember that we calculate the percentage on original value always. Change upon original value, and because it is percentage, so you have to multiply it with 100%. So this will give you percentage increase or decrease. This all depend upon which value is greater. So we will discuss both type of questions here. So let's consider an example. A shop is having a sale. It sells a set of tools costing $130 at 15% discount. Calculate sale price of the tools. So first of all, read the statement very carefully. The cost of the set of tools is $130. So this will be our original value. And discount means to lower the price. Okay, discount means lowering the price. So that means in this case we will be finding the decrease in the value first, like how much cost of that tool will be decreased. So answer for this, you can write down cost price is $130, and discount percentage is given, that is 15%. First of all, convert that discount percentage into discount. What is the decrease in the price? So discount is equals to 15% of $130. So 15% can be written as 0.15, and I hope now you are able to understand how I am converting percentage into decimal. You just have to divide it with 100, and this will convert the percentage into decimal. Of means multiply by 130. So after solving this, you will get $19.5. So this is the discount. This is the amount which will be subtracted from the cost to get the sale price. So sale price will be equal to cost price, the original price, that is $130 minus $19.5. So after solving this, you will get $110.5. So this is the sale price of that tools after getting the discount of 15%. Fine. Now you can also easily find out the discount which are given to you by the shopkeepers. First of all, just find out the discount in amount in dollars. 15% of cost price, the original price of that tool, okay, and that is 19.5, and then subtract this discount from the cost price, the original price, and this will give you the sale price. This is the amount that you have to pay at the end, okay. And remember that discount means to lower the price, okay. Discount means lowering the price. So we subtract amount of discount, whatever the amount of discount is given, subtract it from the original price or the cost price. Let's take a look at another example. A shop assistant has a salary of $16,000 per month. If his salary increases by 8%, okay, now the increment is there of 8%, calculate extra amount he receives every month and his new salary. So for the first part, that is the extra amount, we will be needing the increase. How much increase is there? So first part is increase, or the extra amount is, percentage is 8% of original salary, you can see here. So original salary is $16,000. 8% is 0.08 and multiply by $16,000. So this is equals to $1,280, okay. And this is the extra amount that he will be getting every month, fine. And his new salary, now because of there is increase in the salary, so we will add these values, okay. His original salary is $16,000 plus this is the increase in its salary every month, so this will be added. So after adding these, you will get $17,280, okay. So if the question is about increase, you have to just add the value. If the question is about discount, then you have to subtract the amount at the end, okay. Example number 3 is a garage increases the price of the truck by 12%. If original price was $14,500, calculate the new price. Now the same way, the original price and the percentage increase both are given to you, but in this question only the new price is required, fine. So this can be done in another way also. Suppose the original price, now see, original is always represented by 100%, okay. So the original price is represented by 100%. Now because there is increase in the value, and increase is of 12%, right? So increased price can be represented by, so because of the increase you have to add these two values, 100% plus 12%, that is 112%. So increased price is represented by 112. So therefore after adding that, the increased amount, you will get the new value or new price, okay. So new price will be equal to 112% of original price. Original price is $14,500. So after solving this, you will get $16,240. Okay, so this is the new price of the truck. In case the increased amount is not required, then you can directly use this method also, but it also depends upon the marks, okay. So if the question is of more marks, you can show that step also. First of all, find out the increase price, and then after find out the new price, okay. Or otherwise, if the question is of less marks, then you can directly find out the new price by using this formula, in which you will add the percentage into 100, increase percentage into 100, and then find out that 112% of the original price, okay. So let's take a look at another example related to the previous method. Increase 7000 by 2%. You just need the increased value here. So increased value is equals to, so what we have done in that method, we have added that percentage into 100. Okay, so when you add 100% and 2%, you will get 102% of 7000. This is the original value. So 102% of 7000, that means 102% 1.02 multiplied by 7000, and after solving this you will get 7140. So this is the increased value. Fine. And this was the case of increase. Now let us take a look at an example in which you have to find out the decreased value. Okay, so decrease 75 by 42%. Now the question is about decrease, so you have to subtract this value from 100. Fine. So decreased value is equals to, now if you subtract 42 from 100, what will you get? 58% of 75, because now you are subtracting 42 from 100, and this will be 58, right? 58% of 75, and your answer will be 43.5. Okay, so in case of increase, add the percentage into 100, and in case of decrease, subtract the value. I hope now you are able to solve first type of question. So let's move to our next formula, that was to find out percentage increase or decrease in the value. Now the two numbers will be given to you, original number and new number. Both will be given to you. You have to identify that there is increase in the value or decrease in the value. So as you can see in question number A or part A, the first number is 40 and it is changing to 84. So it is something increasing, right? So in this case we will find out percentage increase, and in the second part 550 is changing to 352. This value is more and the second value is less. Okay, so in this case, in B part, we will find out percentage decrease. Okay, in this case we will find decrease, and in the first part we will find out increase. So if you remember the formula, the first step is you have to find out the change in the values first of all. So change is the bigger number is 84 minus 40, so you will get 44, and percentage increase is equals to change in the values divided by original value multiplied by 100. So in A part, what was the original value? Original value is 40. Okay, so change in the value is 44, original value is 40, and multiply it with 100, and you can see the new value is more than double of the original one, so its percentage will be more than 100. So after solving this, you will get 110%. Okay, so to find out percentage increase or decrease, first of all just find out the change in the values. Okay, how much increase or decrease is there? Then the formula is change upon original value multiplied by 100. So after simplification, you will get the answer. And in B part, okay, so the change is, now the bigger number is 550 minus 352, and after doing the subtraction, you will get 198. So percentage decrease. Why I am writing decrease here? Because the values are decreasing, they are becoming less. So same formula, firstly you have to write down the change upon original value multiply by 100. Okay, so this is equals to changes of 198. Original value here is the first number. Okay, so original value is 550, multiply it with 100 and you will get 36% as the answer. Okay. Okay students, our last example is a winter coat is priced at $100 in a sale. Its price is reduced by 25%. Calculate the sale price of the coat. This is A part. And B part is after the sale its price is increased by 25%. Calculate the coat's price after the sale. So here you are having two percentages. First is in the sale its price is reduced by 25%, and second thing is after the sale its price is increased again by 25%. So this will be solved in two parts. First of all, let us solve for first part. Okay students, I have written all the important information from the statement here. So original price was $100, discount is of 25%. This is for A part, so we will solve it first. Now how do you find out discount? Discount is equals to 25% of 100. Okay, $100. So this is equals to 0.25 multiplied by $100. So this is equals to $25. So this is the discount that is on that winter coat. So that means this price will be subtracted from the original one. So it's a selling price. Selling price is equals to original price, that is $100 minus discount $25. So this will give you $75. So this is the selling price of the coat after getting the discount of 25%. Now the B part is related to first part because it says after the sale. So that means now this price will be the original price of the coat. Okay, so and it is increased by 25%. So what will be the increase? Again, that it is given in percentage, but I need the value in dollars. Okay, so this will be 25% of $75, and after solving this you will get 25% of $75 is 18.75. This is the increase in the value after the sale. So coat's price after the sale is equals to $75 plus $18.75, and after doing the addition you will get 93.75. So let's see what we have done here. The original price of the coat was given, that was $100. Discount, first of all its price was reduced in the sale by 25%, so that is the discount. So after getting that discount the selling price of the coat becomes $75, and it is written in the statement that after the sale the price was increased again by 25%. So we will find out this 25% of 75. Okay, so that is 18.75, and then the price, because this is an increase in the value, 75 will be increased by 18.75. so after adding these value you are getting $93.75. so this is the price of the coat after the sale. So let's recapitulate what we have learned today. Today you have learned two formulas. First one is if x% is increase or decrease in the value of y, then to find out that value in numbers, the formula is x% of y. First of all, find out x% of y, then new value will be equal to original value plus increase in case of increase percentage is given, and new value is equals to original value minus decrease in case decrease percentage is given. Okay, and the second formula is when both the original value and new values are given and you have to find out percentage increase or percentage decrease. That depends which value is greater. If new value is greater than original value, that means this is the case of increase. So just find out the change in the values, divide it with the original value and multiply by 100. This will give you percentage increase in the value. And if the new value is smaller than the original value, then again just find out the change in the values, divide it with the original value, multiply by 100. Formula is same, just you have to take care of the subtraction. If new value is greater, that is the case of increase percentage, and if the original value is greater, that is the case of percentage decrease. I hope now you will be able to solve all the questions related to percentage increase and decrease. I have also attached one worksheet which is available at our school's Facebook page. Go through it, try to solve those questions, and in case any doubt is there, I'm always there to help you out. You can contact me at any time. Thank you for watching this video. Stay fit and happy learning.